What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Changes by Justin Bieber. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for this song. You can find that down there as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they are there for you. Now your chords are going to be this version of an F major 7. It's going to be 8 on the A string with your index finger, 10 with your ring finger on the D string, 9 on the G string with your middle finger, and 10 on the B string with your pinky finger. Then you're going to go to this version of an E minor 7, which is you're going to bar the 7th fret with your index finger, starting on the A string, and really you just need to worry about the A, D, and G string. You're going to put your ring finger on the 9th fret on the D string and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. So it's 7 on A, 9 on D, 7 on G, 8 on B. And then finally, this version of a D minor 7, you're going to bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, and then you're going to go 7th fret on the D string with your ring finger, and then the 6th fret on the B string with your middle finger. Once you get the chords down, I'm going to show you your picking pattern. So starting with your F major 7, you're going to pick the A, the G, and the B at the same time. And I'm using my thumb on the A, my middle finger on G, and my ring finger on B. Pick those at the same time, and then use your index finger to pick your D string. And that's done twice. Then you go to your E minor 7, and what you're doing here is you're strumming the A, D, G, and B string, and then you're hammering on to the 9th fret of the G string with your pinky finger. So, and you do that twice as well. Then you go to that D minor 7, and you're just strumming it, the entire chord. And they kind of switch this up a little bit. So they definitely always strum it once, and then sometimes they'll take their middle finger off and strum. So it'll be, so that's just, you're barring the entire 5th fret with your index finger, and then just your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string. Sometimes they just strum it and then mute it and then start everything over. And then sometimes they'll strum it and pick that 6th fret on the B string, and then the 5th fret on the G string. So they either go and mute and start all over, or they go, or you can kind of play around with those. You can find where exactly, they switch it up throughout the entire song. So you can find where they do it in the song and try and match it. You can kind of play it yourself wherever you want. It's totally up to you guys. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to play through this entire thing very slowly so you can really see what it looks like. Here it is. there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.